2010 Mazda 3 Series.
Clicking noise in the dash. This is how you get the glove box out. This just pops off this right here, and see how these are just kind of locked in on that, so you just kind of lift them up and it comes right out. And then this, there's just little tabs in here, you just kind of pry it up and it pops right out. It's definitely a tight fit. I can't film and do this at the same time. I need both hands, but just be patient with it and don't pull too hard, because it does come out without breaking anything. So, and it will go back in the same way. So I just want to let you know that. Be prepared for that. So that's the air door actuator that's causing the clicking noise. Here's the new one. It's a dorman part. Here's the number. (604-811). It cost me $70. I got mine at advanced. Looks like you have to remove this Phillips and these three. And that's as far out as I could get it at this point. That's all you really need to get it anyway, so not that bad of a job. Alright, so the new one's in. I just loosened it a little bit to get it out. I figured it was probably safer than taking it all apart, because just in case it came apart more than I expected. I didn't want to deal with anything. So that's what I did. Just want to show you how to take the plug off. Pretty simple. Just put pressure on this little spot right there. Alright, so I got the bad one plugged in. I'm gonna turn the car on. Just showing you what that is actually doing in there. I might take it apart and see what's going on just for myself. See what's up in there. But yeah, that's definitely the issue right there. And then when you turn your ventilation knobs, it controls the door in here, this door, and then lets the airflow increase or decrease depending on what you have for the settings. But yeah, that's the culprit. Problem solved. Alright, so I got it back in. Wasn't the easiest. Definitely a tight spot in there. It's hard. You can't even see the screws. So first we'll start off with what you're gonna need. Basically some Phillips, a small-headed flathead. I use a little pick to get the plug off. I use that. Oh yeah. For this little wiring harness right here on the plug. I just pried that off there. And I can just pop it back right on. Like that. I want to show you the screws though. So you can either get them with the Phillips, or I was using, I think it was the 7 mil. But let's see if we can do this. So that's one right there. You can see that one straight on. That's the second. And the third, I'm definitely not gonna be able to show you, I don't think. It's like way up here. That was the hardest one. And I think I'm gonna leave it out too, honestly. Cause that's on there pretty good now. And if it makes a noise, I'll put it back on, but I think we'll be fine. So, yeah, just because it was super hard to get off. It'd be even harder to get on. So, yeah. Unless you want to fight with it, go for it, but it's all right. We got the glove box back together. This little interior piece, just a couple tabs there. There and there. Stuff this cover back in there. I forgot I moved it out of the way. So this piece actually slides right into there. And that's it. And this car's all done. No more clicking, because it used to do that every time you turned it. Everything seems to be working. Okay, heat coming out. Good to go.